Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin from Team Paul Mitchell and Century Martial Arts. Today I'm going to be showing you my secrets to doing really clean and strong hands. Okay, there's 3 main different ways that I practice. These are my go-tos when I'm really trying to up my level when it comes to hand performance. So, the first thing that I like to do, let's just take, for example, we're going to do a simple chop punch drill. Now what I like to do is do my form sections, and I do it with these drills, but for now, let's just keep it to one simple drill, which will be the chop punch for now. So the first level that I do is I go super slow. Now one really important thing is having a mirror. This is gonna help out a lot. If you don't have it, it's not gonna be as effective, because with a mirror, you can really self-adjust yourself and kind of be your own coach. So mirror is definitely something that's gonna help you on this. So if I'm doing a chop punch, I'm gonna look in the mirror, or I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna make sure my posture is perfect, my chin's up, I'm getting that full extension, locking out, knees over, my foot on the stance, all of that good stuff. And if it's not, you wanna adjust it. Even if you make a very small adjustment, that's what this drill is all about. So from here, I'll go punch, make sure I'm hitting everything perfect, keeping my technique. If it's not perfect, I can move it over a little bit, try to remember where I put my hands, keep going, just like that. Now, that is the first level. From here, I call that slow motion or matrix style. The second version is what I call robot style. So it's kind of similar in the sense that we're not gonna be just going full force, full speed, but we are gonna be going we're gonna be going very powerful, but with individual moves. So we're gonna go one at a time. So let's say I'm doing it the chop punch drill. I'm gonna go chop, punch, chop, punch, chop, punch, chop, punch. Now the reason why this one is so good is because it's gonna really help you get that lock. It's gonna help you get your hips into your movements, help you generate all of that power. When we're in a form, that's extremely important because it's gonna be very similar to what we're doing when we're performing. We're not always gonna be going really slow like this when we're performing, even though it is good to get that technique down. But when we're going robot style, we can put in that little extra power while still focusing on the cleanliness. Okay, the next drill is just gonna be going in the complete opposite direction. It's gonna be just going super fast. This one is just gonna be focusing on our arm stamina and speed. This is good if maybe you are a little bit slow, or you're just kind of working for a tournament that you know has a lot of events and you need to have a lot of endurance. And this is basically where we just go as fast as we can on the drill, burn our arms out, maybe even do a few sections in a row just to get that workout. Now once you've done that, once you've gone slow, you hit the robot working on that extension, and then you just practice going super fast. And you put those all together and all the good things from those drills into a pace that you feel comfortable with, it's gonna make your hand techniques look so much cleaner. So those are my secrets to having really nice, clean hands. Those are my drills. See you next time.